Hello everybody, welcome back to Grifted Designs. In this video I'm going to show you how we are going to add partitions to our structure, and then we are going to add windows, doors and openings. So for those watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do so by subscribing and liking the video. So we are going to start from here. So we'll have that one there like that. So let's go and do the partition for our first floor plan. Let me hide the roof. Walls, because you remember I made the walls to be the ground floor height to be 2850, so I'm just going to adjust this one to match 3450. I only needed that to draw the first floor plan, but now I'm not going to use it anymore, the outline. So what I just need is this right here. So just going to do the settings again. This one should now be 3000. Projection should be at 0. Okay, so we do the partition for the first floor plan. Like that, and we shall have placed all our walls. What we want to do now, adding doors. So you choose the door tool right there, then press Ctrl T for settings. Then in doors, I'm going to go for door with transom single door. This one here. The length is just going to be 900, height is 2400, but it's going to project at 0, that is for the sill. Then door settings, I want this one for the grid. Door leaf, I'm going to go for this, or you can actually go for this other one here. This one looks more presentable. Then for the handle, let me go for this, since I'm going to add the interior doors first. Then actually change certain things here, not very many things. Override this and also override this. I don't want this opening line. Can actually do that also. Then for the model and attributes, you are actually going to check mark that. Then floor plan, you want to override these ones. Then just change the color, the pen color, to the light gray one. Then properties, marker, I want this one to be D00, not 0002. Because this is wooden door, I'm going to add it here. It's going to open like that. The other one will place it in to the first floor plan. It's going to be here. Sorry for that. Just going to be D02 also. No, not 0201. 01. Like that. So we'll have that one placed like that. The other door we can place is the one for the ground floor, the main door. For that I usually prefer to go for double door with the transom. This one here, adjust the size to be 1200. Projection should be the same. That, then settings, leaf. I want my leaf to be like this. This one, handle. This one for the handle, since it's larger. I don't want uniform handles, so for the second leaf I'm going to go for this handle. Then continue, override this. Don't want the opening line. Material for the door should be steel, metal steel. Floor plan and section, that one is our reference ID. This one should be door 00. Let me just call it 00. Then this one will place here. Like that. The other door we are going to add is in the first story. So here I want to have a sliding door, so just press Ctrl T. Then go to sliding doors. I want this one here, double side light, sliding door, double sliding door. I want this one here. Then I don't want to change anything there. That one is also okay. The handle, can go for that. Leave the frame like that. Uniform slashes. Don't want to make it open. Override this. Also override this. Then also override this. The material for the framing, I want to be some other material, not wooden. I'm going to go for aluminium. Then for the classification, I want this one to be SD for sliding door, SD01. Sliding door. That, then I'm going to place it here. that. So we're done with placing the doors. The next thing you can do is now place windows. So you can just go to the ground floor plan, then place windows. This is the window tool. Just press Ctrl T for settings. Then usually I just use this one, so I just play with the width and the height. So I want this one to be larger, so I'm going to go for 2100 by 1500. Then for the seal, it's going to project at 900. That. Then for the basic window settings, uniform frame width, I'm going to change this one to 30. Then search type, go for HV grid. Vertically I want 7 partitions. Horizontally, no, not 7. Vertically I want something like 5. Yeah, 5. Then horizontally I want 10 partitions. That. Don't want the handle to be seen. I'll override this and this. Change the material, steel. Then floor plan and section, override these ones. Classification, change this one to W01. And I'm just going to place it here. I'll also place the same on the master bedroom for window, so the reference will just be the same, W01. That. Let's see what you have in 3D. Those are the windows you've just added. Let's go back to the plan. You have in 3D. So this is basically what you're having in 3D. Something that looks somehow like that. The other thing we need to do is add the window for the staircase part, the stairwell. So for this one I'm actually going to add 2 different windows. There is one, Control T, 2000 millimeters wide, 1350 millimeters high, projecting at 1500. I'm going to change the partitioning. Vertically I'll want 3, horizontally I'll want 8. So I'll put this one here. That should be W05. No problem with that. Then go to the first story. Then add a different style window, special window, Control T. Go to special windows. I'm going to go for this. Yeah, that one. Then the size should be 2000 wide. The height vertically should be something like 3,200. 3,200. This one should project at 0. Then special window settings. Want that one to be activated. For this one I'll go for this. No, let me just go for this. Then for the main sash, HV grid, horizontally I'll want 8, vertically I'll want something like, say, 12. No handles. Override this one. Then change this material to steel. Just press OK. Then add the window here. Let me just adjust the height of this wall. Shift G. Only this wall, this particular wall. 4,500. That because we are going to change the roof type somewhere there. Good. Let me change something. Yeah. Change the height for this window. Height to be 3,800. Not bad. We're actually going to change this roof, the part of this roof, to be gable, so don't worry about that. So that is the impression I wanted to bring, so you don't have to worry that much about this. Let me just change that. So that is this one is window number 5, so this one I also want it to be window number, let it just be window number 6. I wanted to make them look like one window, so this is what we have. Let me just make this roof to be gable first. trim this, that, so just like that. I think I've made a bad mistake. Let me just elongate something here. Offset this one, that to 600, not 600, 450, like that. Then we're going to trim it. So we're just going to trim this, that, then trim. So we just made that one to be gable wall. Can actually so to place openings, we are going to use this tool, Control T, then mark that and check that. Then this is where you adjust your length. So the first one is going to be 3400, the height will be 2550, but to store it, this one will be 2400. Then cut lines, this one, just override these pen sets, just changing colors. So don't want very many pen colors in my 3D. So we place this one here. Place it there, then go to ground floor, place it also here, then change the length to 1800, then place it here, then go to the first floor, then place it here. Don't know, yeah, so we can actually measure the distance from this spot, 2400 by 1500. So 2400, this one are going to place it here, then by 1500, that one I'm going to place it here. That, then this is now what you are going to have in 3D. Our openings placed. Now play around with very many things. Let me just adjust a setting here. This that one placed like that. So This is what we are having currently. So make sure you follow, because in the next video I'll show you how we are going to add a staircase, the railing, and actually make a hole in the first floor slab to make it accessible.